Putting care into action can be done in many ways. We see extraordinary things happen through small acts of kindness. Alabamians were brave. We checked in on our neighbors, and we fed the hungry. We supported our small businesses, and we thanked those keeping us safe and healthy. We're Alabama strong, after all. This year has changed us, that's for sure, but Bryant Bank's steadfast commitment to serving remains. Follow along as we share our story, a story of turning banking into thanking across Alabama this year.
I'm Michael Holland with Bryant Bank, and I'm here with Michael Ledger, President and CEO of Feeding the Gulf Coast. We are here in the warehouse of Feeding the Gulf Coast in Theodore, Alabama as part of our Turning Banking into Thanking celebration at Bryant Bank. Not only are we working preparing backpacks for hungry children in the community, but we're here to make a monetary contribution today also. So Michael, on behalf of Bryant Bank, we have this check, this donation for Feeding the Gulf Coast. So through this contribution today, we'll be able to feed about 250 children in our community today. So we're excited about that.
Feeding the Gulf Coast is a food pantry. We provide food to agencies who are putting food out for those in need and experiencing food insecurity. We would just like to thank Bryant Bank for their support, thank them for the volunteers, thank them for the financial backing. It's partnerships and relationships like this that keep our activities going.
My name is Amelia Stevens. I'm a registered nurse and I work for the Alabama Free Clinic in Bay Minette. The Alabama Free Clinic provides services to Baldwin County adults who have no health insurance.
Today we want to present the Baldwin Free Clinic with a $1,000 donation.
Oh, thank you.
And hope that you guys can make this go a long way in the community.
The Alabama Free Clinic would not exist if it were not for donations. With those donations, we are able to have a small paid staff, and we are also able to provide other services to our patients. Alabama Free Clinic appreciates the donation that Bryant Bank has been able to give to us today. Your donation will be used wisely and to benefit as many people as possible in our community.
I'm Dana Jepson. I'm the South Baldwin Director at Ecumenical Ministries. We are a comprehensive social service agency, so we help with things like rent, utilities, medical procedures, and prescriptions in our emergency aid program. We also have a food pantry. We have a home repair program that serves the entire county. We also operate a Meals on Wheels program here in Foley and then also in Fairhope. And we have a thrift store that really helps fund all of these projects and programs. Bryant Bank's donation today of $1,000 is a huge blessing because we have many, many families that are having to decide, do we purchase Christmas gifts or do we pay the rent? Or do we pay a utility bill? Or do we purchase groceries? And that's a really tough place to be. We really appreciate Bryant Bank and all of the support that they've given us through the years, from attending our community events and supporting us financially, taking our angels at Christmas time. It's been a great partnership.
I'm Greg Strawn. I'm Market President for Bryant Bank in Baldwin County. Today we're at the Hope Center in Fairhope, presenting them with a $1,000 check to reward them and tell them thank you for all the work that they do in our community.
My name is Dana Smith. I'm Director of the Hope Center in Fairhope, Alabama. The Hope Center is a 501c3 nonprofit organization to help those without insurance. A lot of times we have people that have to have surgeries, or they have to have an MRI or a CT or even an ultrasound, and they don't have that lump of cash to be able to pay. So Bryant Bank's $1,000 donation to us is extremely helpful in helping those clients, those patients, get the services that they need when they need it.
Being the Bryant Bank market leader for Baldwin County for the last 14 years, I've had a chance to witness firsthand all the different organizations like Hope Center and Ecumenical Ministries and the Lighthouse and all these wonderful organizations in our community, the impact they've made on our town. Particularly this year after Hurricane Sally and of course the last 9 or 10 months we've all endured with the pandemic, these organizations now more than ever are very, very important to our community.
I would like to thank Bryant Bank on behalf of the Hope Center for the $1,000 donation. This is how we actually operate by donations, and we really appreciate it. From the bottom of our hearts, we really appreciate it.